Hi.
Hello, good morning, friends. Today's ride is gonna to be Mandalpatti. Yes, this ride is gonna be a solo ride, as my friend is gonna take off or tell me bye bye and is going to his home. And also, you can see this place. It is very greenery, and also the people who live here they should have a jeep because the transportation mode is very bit tough. I can say a lot of tough in this region.
Hi guys, you can see there red. Those are the things which happened before 2 years. Hi guys, right now I'm nearly on the top of Mandalpadi thinking. I can try to show you the view. You can see the view. It tried so good guys actually. I'm just little bit far away from the top. You can see the top on that side, right? As I'm going to the top right now. I seem to be one of the most wonderful journey, one of the very good view I can get right now guys. I'll show you on the top right now. Wow. Wow. Guys, you can see the view, right? It's so good actually. Fuck. I love the view a lot and I have to go to the top. Right now I'm just having some fun time on the just below the peak, I think. It looks so marvelous. I'll go to the top guys. Come on, we'll see. From this point guys, off-roading starts actually. You can see there, right? I'm going, it is around 3.5 kilometer for the viewpoint. It is going to be off-road fully. And I'm going, I just kept my baggage also in their office. Some of the office there, they'll collect some fees of around 45 rupees. I don't know for bike or person, I don't know what is that amount. I kept there my bike, and actually it's going to be very good day, very good view guys. Hopefully we'll continue the ride. Wow guys, see the viewpoint. I'm going to show you. Wow. It's so good, right, to see such kind of views. Okay guys, and also the road is like very hectic guys, very hectic. Drastically it's broken down into parts, I can say. You can see the road, right? This is the road which I came right now. It is very dangerous guys right now. I can say that's the one thing I can say. It's very dangerous, and the view is so good. For the danger you take is you can get the view by going above and above, you can get a nice view, but it looks to be more dangerous. I have reached 2 kilometers right now to the top, and still around 1.5 kilometers left. You can see from the board. Guys, you can see there, right? That is the entrance point of Mandalpatti. Fuck. Oof. This is the way which I came right now. So, guys, how I came, it's like no cobra only. Anaconda, I can say, even say. Also, you can see the viewpoint there, you can view. And you can see there, right? The entrance of Mandalpatti, that it is. I came the top, but I have to reach again to bottom. That's the one scary thing I have right now, guys. Guys, finally I'm reached on the top of Mandalpatti right now, and I'm going to the viewpoint which is above on that spot. And it's going to be more fun. And you can see lots of jeeps are waiting for their customers to arrive from the top. And this looks so good. And I have come alone actually, and I have little bit scared because I have to go from here to down right. It's going to be little bit scary part. It's going to take a lot of time too, and I don't even have my mobile network signal, and I also have my laptop on my backside. I don't think I think that no one had come to this spot with a laptop on their back. That too on a two-wheeler. Actually, I have to climb this kind of surface right now, and it seems to be very tired, guys. I don't know, but I feel more tired. For some other people may not, and people who live here on this region may feel it very easy too. I think you can see that, right? Fog, everything, guys. You can see the viewpoint there, right? I'm going there only right now. I can't see anything. It is very fully fog, guys. Right now I'm in the top. You can see the fog, right? It is full fog is covered on this region, and also on that viewpoint, you can see there is a viewpoint, right? We couldn't see anything from this point itself today. I feel like it's totally waste coming to this place. And like, I couldn't even see anything. Also, the road which takes you to the viewpoint is also like go a lot. You can see it from this point, right? And also we have this viewpoint, and also we can go to the first floor using the staircase provided. It looks great actually. Actually, if you come with your family, it's one of the nice place, but you have to come early morning, I think. Similar to Nandi, Nandivetta, I think in Bangalore, because the fog covers the region. Right now, you can see the fog is already entering into the space, and you can only find fog all over the area.
போங்க ப்ரோ.
Guys, right now I'm in top only. I was waiting for past around 1.5 hours, but I couldn't see got the view. But I still got the view from one of my friend there. He showed me his mobile. I'm gonna upload in your video. And these are my new friends which I got in the top view. And this person is from Velo, and this person is from Mysore, and these all people are from Mysore, and they're also Tamilians, I think. You guys see ya? The place, bro.
Super bro.
Where are you coming from? Which part?
Mysore,
Mysore. You native?
Vellore.
Vellore. He's come jail. There's very famous jail. I think he's there from that place.
கழுத்துல செயின் பாத்தீங்களா?
Rowdy,
10 கொலை.
10 கொலை, 15 ரேப், 100 பிக் பாக்கெட்.
ப்ரோ வியூஸ் அதிகம் ஆகும்.
கண்டென்ட் போகுதுங்க.
கேளுங்க ப்ரோ, क्वेश्चन கேளுங்க ப்ரோ. உங்களுக்கு என்ன வேணும்?
Enjoy the place. How is Mandalpatti actually?
Mandalpatti is excellent, but the ride is very difficult.
Yeah, very difficult only.
Full fared bikes. You cannot come in those bikes.
He came in Ninja, I think. He came in Ninja. He kept it before 4 kilometers only in the junction only, I think.
என்ன பண்றது?
Yeah, how much age he looks like?
20.
20, yes, 20 only.
Looks like question ra.
Hi guys, I'm just finished my views, everything. I'm just going back to my vehicle over there, and see you guys. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be fun on the down spot. Let's see. Guys, you can see the spot by hand, right? Yes, I finished my ride. I'm just going back to Madikeri town. I have some meetings there. Okay guys, see ya. And I'm going to show you how it's going to journey be when we get down from the bike. We'll see it fully.
வண்டி சேர்த்து எடுத்தேன்.
ஆக்சுவலாக பிஸ்னஸ் மீட்டிங் இருக்கு 3 மணிக்கு.
அப்படியா? உங்களை எப்படி பிடிச்சிக்கிறேன்?
அப்படியே எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Guys, you can see it, right? The road is very worst. It is like fully off-roading, guys. And if you plan of coming in R15 or KTM RC, please forget that such kind of dreams. It won't gonna happen. You want some bikes which gonna have some changes height move. Okay guys, you can see it, right? How we are struggling even with our 350 Bullet Classic 350. For this such kind of roads, we require Himalayan or Impulse or like fully adventure tourer bikes, somewhat like that, guys. There are my fellow bike riders with me. This Quadripo. Guys, when we start go lower and lower, the fog started to cover the roads fully, and what you see is around 70%. And when you see from your eyes, you can see it is covered entirely, guys. And the road also started to get closed. You can see it, right?
super out.
Nature is one of the biggest gift God has given to us. Enjoy it, don't harm it, because it is property of everyone who's in the world. These are the entry and exit points of Mandalpatti. Bye bye Mandalpatti. See you next time. Friends, the reason why I travel is because we meet lot of people, we make new friends. Actually, the people are two bike which we see before are actually strangers before 2 hours. Right now they are my friends, have we exchange our numbers, and also we are planning for future rides. So enjoy every moment of your life meeting new peoples, because you have just one life, and don't waste the life thinking about some other things or some other tensions. Enjoy. This part is one of the dangerous part in the trucking, guys, or off-roading I can say. And if you just slip, you will fall into the deep down hills and you may lose your life forever. Guys, as my bike has ABS, it is very useful in such kind of situations, and try to buy bikes which has ABS when you plan of buying, guys.
Come on, boys. Hoga bane.
Guys, my friend bike got tire punctured, so we are taking this bike very slowly. He's driving it very slowly, and we are supporting him in front and back side, guys. Guys, some portions of the road are very worst. If your brake failures, you may die, guys. That's the actual truth.
தள்ளி போகாதே வானம்.
என் இனிய தனிமையை பாடணும் ப்ரோ நீங்க. என் இனிய தனிமையே
தெரியாது, எப்படி சொல்லி சொல்லு.
புது பாட்டு அந்த டெடி.
அது கேட்கலடா, பிடிக்கல எனக்கு.
Guys, you can see the Madikeri city from the top of the hill. And guys, the people in Madikeri are very sweet, because most of the people here are farmers or agriculturists, and they behave very good, and they are ready to drink with us actually. And the favorite curry dish is called as pork fry, pork masala somewhat, which they offer to us when they visit their house actually. Guys, it is one of the trickiest place in this journey. It is one of the most steepest part. After that, our trekking or off-roading journey is gonna end, because just half kilometer is left to reach the main road, guys.
இன்னும் வீடியோ நல்லா வந்துருக்கும்.